You ready to get rid of that belly? Well, this is the workout for you. Welcome to Core. I'm Joel, and this is Elise. Now I want you to come down onto your back. I want you to take your hands, I want you to interweave them together and put them on your back like that, right behind your head, with your thumbs on your neck like this. Come all the way down. Now you want to lift slowly up. So when you lift up, pull your stomach all the way down and all the way back, all the way down, all the way back. Every time she's pressing her stomach in. So she's holding her head the whole time and she's lifting. Let's go, give me 10 more. For 10 and 9 and 8. Pull that stomach in. 7, a little higher. 6, hold it there, hold your head. 5, keep breathing. 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Now float your head all the way down onto the mat. You want to bring your legs all the way up so your knees are right in line with your hips. And you want to take your hands, you want to put them on your quads, but you want to leave your feet here relaxed. That serves no purpose whatsoever. And you want to press as hard as you can against your legs. You can leave your head on the mat like that, or you can lift it up a little bit like this and look at your stomach. You're going to press for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Float that foot all the way down. Take both your hands and put them on one leg and press as hard as you can right there. Come on, keep pressing. Press, press. Don't let me move that leg, Elise. You got 10, 9. Use that arm strength. 8, 7. Keep pressing. 6, a little harder. 5, you can do it. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Immediately switch legs. Press both hands all the way. Press. Let's go. You got about 15 more seconds. For 15, 14. Come on, pull your stomach down. 13, you want to feel your stomach? Put your hand on your stomach and make sure it's going back down. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now take your hands, interweave them, point your toes, and let's stretch it all the way out. Really long. I want to try to get the farthest distance from your toes all the way from those palms. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now leave your legs out here, put your hands back behind your head, and you're going to open your feet up so they're on the sides of your mat. Now flex your feet, pull your toes all the way back. Now you're going to crunch from here. Lift it all the way up and all the way down. Let's go. For 10, hold that head. 9 and 8, press that stomach down. 7 and 6. For 5, you can do it. And 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Now hold it all the way up, and you're just going to hold it there for 5, 4, press that stomach down, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Float it all the way back down. Now the next position, you want to bring your hands into an X like this, and you want to put your hands behind your head like that. Now you made a plate for your head. You're going to hold it there. Now you're going to bring your feet up flat, and you're going to make circles from there. You're going to go to the side, center, and side. For 5 and 4, stomach down, and 3, and 2, and 1. Switch directions all the way around. Really circle all the way up. And 5, all the way up. And 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Good job. Now you're going to cross this leg all the way up from here. You're going to put your hand onto your stomach, put this other hand behind your head. Now you're going to twist it up and you're going to cross all the way up. If you want to pump it up from here, all you do is lift this bottom foot slightly off the ground like that. There you go. That kicks it up. For 5 and 4. If that's too easy for you, all you have to do is straighten your leg. And 2 and 1. We got the other side. If you had that foot up, do the same thing. And twist. And twist. For 5 and 4. Really twist. And 3. Come on, you got it. 2 and 1. Good job. Now in this exercise, you want to take your elbow, you want to put it into the mat like this, way down. Make your hand into a fist. Bring this hand behind your head. You're going to lift like this and press that elbow into the mat. For 5 and 4. Hold your head. 3. Press that elbow down. 2 and 1. Good job. Switch sides and twist. And twist. Really press that elbow all the way down. For 5 and 4. Press that hand down. 3 and 2 and 1. Great job. Now we want to stretch it out. So you want to come all the way around into up dog. You drop down. Now you have your hands underneath your shoulders. You're going to gently press them down and come up so you stretch those abs out. Relax your feet. There's no reason to have any tension there. Relax your forehead. If this is easy for you, come up a little higher. If you want to go deeper, gently slide your knees forward and pull the top of your head way up. Now you want to look over your shoulder at your heel. And deep breaths all the way into that area. and back to the center and to the other side. And back to center. And release. Come all the way back down. Give those shoulders and shake those arms out. Get that blood flowing. Bring your hands into prayer. And inhale. And exhale. Now this workout you can do every other day. So you know what? I want to see you back here in 2 days. Great work.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.